Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how you link to a website in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log in to your account. After logging in guys and creating your Notion, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the basic info about your Notion, you can see your theme spaces, all the pages that you can create and so on. So guys, if you want to link to a website in your page, then the first thing we are going to do is go ahead and find the page that we want to edit. I'm going to go ahead and create a new page guys by clicking this plus button right here. After clicking that guys, now we are successfully making a new page. So I'm going to go ahead and name it something like link tutorial. And now after naming it link tutorial guys, you can go ahead and start typing what you want. So I'm going to say this page is for a tutorial. And guys, if you want to add a link to a website, it's very easy, and all you have to do to be able to do that is go ahead and find the word that you want to be able to link to the other website. So I'm going to use the word tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and select tutorial, and after selecting tutorial guys, now this will open up this new option bar where you can edit your text. And what we want to do guys is go ahead and select this option right here called add link. So guys, go ahead and click on add link right there, and here you can select the page that you want to link to. So I'm going to go ahead and type in, let's say we want to link it to YouTube. I'm going to select link to web page. You can type in any URL you want, and after typing in that guys, now we can successfully added a link to this page. And now when clicking on this text guys, you can see this will open up YouTube. So yeah guys, that's how you link to another website in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.